thanks for stopping back by CBD to check out another one of my videos. I am so stoked right now. I finally did it. I finally beat all of my records, and I beat that mental record of 25,000 feet. 25,374 feet and back. Total distance on the flight record is 51,000, I think 54 feet. 9.68 miles round trip. That's a 10-mile trip. Just under 10 miles. I finally beat that record I was going for, and I'm good now. I don't think that I would attempt any further round trip distance tests. I would attempt a one-way trip, and I would have to be up on a platform, maybe in my second story window, but I don't think that no matter what I do, I'm gonna beat the record that I did tonight. So if you guys haven't already checked it out, 2 videos ago I did a how to get max distance out of your Phantom 4 Pro battery. It'll go for any drone. You can use my method with any drone, and it's going to significantly help your distance if you're into doing distance tests like I am. But I used that method again tonight. It worked flawlessly. You know, I get online and I'm watching some of these people who have, you know, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, people that are well known in the drone industry, and when they're doing their distance tests, they're doing the old right stick full max, and that battery is just pegging at about 70-80% demand. You're not going to get anywhere near 10 miles doing that. Stick control is going to be so important. It's going to be key. If you're trying to get max distance, stick control is what's going to get you there. I know that I've been trying for the 25,000 foot record for a long time now, and I finally hit it. I'm satisfied. I think I'm going to move on to something else. Distance tests are done for me. The only other distance test that I might do is a one-way with the range extender, and then with the range extender powered, so amplified. And I already have the amplifiers. I have the connections. I just have to buy the batteries to do it. I think that's going to be my next distance test. How far will it actually reach? With everything that I have here, how far can I get that thing to go out there and successfully land it at the other end? So check out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. You know, I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out my videos. That's why I keep putting them up. I need to get more subscribers, so please like, comment, and subscribe below, and I'll keep putting the videos up. And until I see you next time,